To enable and use auto spacing on your Galaxy Watch with your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it, tap watch setting, scroll down the screen, tap general, under input section, tap Samsung keyboard, under smart typing section, tap auto spacing. Next, choose language you want to enable auto spacing. As the example, we will enable it for English. To see how this feature works on your Galaxy Watch, open an app where you can type something like messages. Now type a word and then select it from the predictive text suggestion. As you can see, a space will be inserted automatically after you add the word. With auto spacing, you can type quicker and more effortless. It's perfect for replying to messages on the go. However, this simple setting saves you time and makes using your watch keyboard a smoother experience. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.